Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, City of Electrons. So in this video, we'll be talking about matrix operation. Okay, yeah, matrix operation. Now we I don't really do that, like type that here, but of course, subtraction, addition, multiplication, and division. Okay, now before we carry out these operations, we need the matrix A, matrix B, and so on, C, D, E, and so on. So but being that we want to focus on the operations of the matrix, we don't really need to spend time like giving the elements this and that and that and so on. We can do something else, which is we can assign we can populate an array, populate a matrix by random, like giving a random numbers. Okay, and we can do that with the help of this. There's a function or command, rand. So this gives us random numbers of any size. So we can say, if we say we need a 4 by 2 matrix, it will give us a 4 by 2 matrix, just random numbers. If you do that again, you will have another random number. Like you see, they are different. Okay, random numbers. But looking at this, you see that the random numbers here, they are of type double. Okay, and we want to work with whole numbers in our operation, like addition and subtraction. We want to work with whole numbers, like integers. So for that, you say rand I. Okay, so work with 4 by 2, rand I, and then you have a random. Yeah, perfect. So this is random. If you call that command again, okay, random. Now we can determine the range, saying that our random number should not be more than 10, like their value. Okay, let me see, use a 4 by 2 matrix, their value. Okay, yeah, 4 by 2. Now it's really 4 by 2. 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 1 2, 4 by 2. Let me make this like a square. So you see that it's not more than 10. If we run the same command, we'll have different results, but it's not more than 10 because we've given that it should not be more than 10, but it's a 4 by 2 matrix. So now let's assign this to let's give it a name. Okay, so let's rand I, let's say still not more than 10 for A. Let's use 3 by 3 matrix, because when you want to carry out addition, I should have just kept that. Okay, but it's there. Yeah, when you want to carry out addition and subtraction operation, the matrix you are dealing with, both of them should be of the same size. It should be of the same size. Okay, so this is 3 by 3. That means our B, matrix B, we should also have it as 3 by 3. Okay, so let me say this one should not be more than 5, like the value, the elements. Okay, still 3 by 3, because they have to be the same size for us to carry out their addition or subtraction. Okay, yeah. So for addition, let's try. Let's see, matrix C equals their addition, A plus B. Okay, nice. So matrix C gives us, matrix A is, you can see, column 1 row 1 plus column 1 row 1 of B gives us exactly 10, and same goes here. Okay, gives us exactly 10. Same goes here, 4 4 gives us 8. So perfect. And if we try subtraction, it will also work. Okay, but the thing is, for multiplication, we know in matrix, the standard system of matrix, the first the number of columns for the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix when we want to multiply. Okay, just but of course this one, they are equal. Okay, so we can use them, we can work with them. So if you see matrix A, let's do that with D equals matrix A multiplied by matrix B. Okay, we'll have this. Now this answer is not the same as this answer. I will explain why. Let me use E here. I will explain. The next answer I want to give now, A multiplication for our B. I'll explain the difference. Now, you see both are multiplication, but you see that the answers are different. Matrix Z is A multiplied by B. Look at the answer. Matrix E is also A multiplied by B, but you see the answers are different. What's the difference? For matrix D, this multiplication is the standard matrix multiplication. So the standard matrix multiplication, which is the first rule will multiply the first column, will sum the results, we'll now have the first thing here. We'll use that same first rule again, multiply the second column to give us the second thing here. Okay, that should be D. Should be pointing at D, please. Okay. And if you try that, it will work, but that's not what we are after in this video. But I'm just saying, if you do this multiplication, it will give you a result of the standard matrix multiplication. But if you put a dot, this dot is known as the element-wise, like dot multiplication is element-wise multiplication. So element-wise operation, that is, we are going to multiply them. That is so this element, the element in this position multiplied by the element in the same position, 8 times 2, that will give us what? 16. Perfect. Then we are done with 2. Okay, 6 is element wise operation. 4 multiplied by 10, that's 40. Oh, sorry, we are dealing with A and B. Okay, 6 multiplied by 4, that's 24. So we check E, exactly 24. Okay, so that's just the main difference here, and this works for both division and exponentials and things like that. The thing here is this to note: if we use it without the points, we are dealing with our standard matrix multiplication. Okay, but if we add the points, we are saying element wise operation, but the operation here is multiplication. Yeah, so we'll just do it element wise. This also goes for asterisk or anything, so we'll use more of this in our functions and in other videos to come. And if you need like help, like to know commands in MATLAB, you can just simply type help for matrix. Okay, LMAT. So elementary matrix commands you need to know, you can type help and you will see them there. Okay, as we work more examples in this series, and the playlist, you will see as we make use of the commands, you get used to them. Okay, so yeah, so in this video we talked about basic matrix operation, although I didn't touch division, but it's the same thing. Okay, so I think I didn't do subtraction also, but it's the same thing. Okay, the same pattern. So you can multiply or add two matrix, but note that they should be of the same size. That's very, very important. And when you add the dot, it makes it element wise. Where's our dots? Yeah, here you are. When you add our dots, it makes it what? Element wise. And you can type help LMAT to give you elementary matrix and matrix manipulation. Okay, and of course we introduce the random number, the idea of random number, to save us the time of like looking for the giving values, stating each element in the matrix. You just use rand I, and that saves your time. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful, and of course leave comments in the comment section, and subscribe, like, share, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.